Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy KaninRiderPH and I'm here for a very special announcement. So ayan, happy holidays, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, and advance Happy New Year. So, as merry as I am, nais kong i-share ang mga blessings na natanggap ko for the year 2020. I know it's such a sad year dahil may pandemic. Tapos, madaming nagka-COVID, madaming namamatay. Pero this is not the time for that. Dahil ang gusto ko ay magpasaya ng ating mga subscribers and future subscribers. So, anong announcement ngayon? It's time to give back the support. So, of course, di ko naman kayang gawin yan, especially dahil I am still a small motovlogger and I can't afford pa na magpa-raffle or magpa-giveaway ng mga exclusive items. So, I just want to give a quick shoutouts to Drifit Master Republic para sa pag-sponsor ng ating pag-giveaway. Ito ang ating mga raffle prizes. So, meron tayong 3 tube mask. So, ayan. It's Drifit Master Republic. No pain, no gain. Shut up and train tube mask from Drifit Master Republic Clothing. Tapos, meron din tayong The Doctor Valentino Rossi. So, ayan. VR46 na tube mask. Also from Drifit Master Republic. Meron tayong isang face mask na Kawasaki Ninja and Monster Energy Drink. So, ayan. Tapos, may isa pa tayong tube mask na Kawasaki Racing Team Ninja. Of course, from Drifit Master Republic. So, shout out again, Drifit Master Republic. Then, our second major prize is a Drifit Master Republic jersey na short sleeve or t-shirt. Ayan. Then, ang ating grand prize for this raffle ay long sleeves na jersey. So, ayan. So, di ko na ito tatagalin. I want to give you the full mechanics on how to join this raffle. Of course, dapat nakasubscribe kayo. Napanood nyo tong video na to. Also, kung mag-subscribe kayo, please, hit the notification bell. Kasi, para updated kayo if ever meron tayong mga paraffle na kagaya nito. Meron tayong, or yung ating raffle draw. Okay? Tapos, of course, syempre, para maging updated kayo if ever man na may bago akong content. So, here's the mechanics. Ayun nga, first, dapat nakasubscribe kayo. Second, please like Drifit Master Republic Clothing sa Facebook. I'll post the link below sa description. Third, like also my Facebook. It's KaninRider Philippines. I'll also provide a link sa description ng ating Facebook page. Tapos, share this video, share this link, itong YouTube video na to. Share it with the hashtags Drifit Master Republic, #KaninRiderPH, #Drifit Master Republic #1. Alright, if you want like this jersey, gusto nyo ng mga ganitong jersey, please visit their Facebook page, no? Napakalamig, guys. Ang ganda ng tela. Promise, magugustuhan nyo to. It's not like any other jerseys. Of course, no to brand war, support all local. Pero, napakasarap talagang suotin itong Drifit Master Republic jersey na to. And, yung print niya is hindi yan nabubura, guys. Hindi siya nagfe-fade. Yung color, yung print, hindi yan nagfe-fade. So, ayun. It's simple. Ganun lang siya. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Ayun, second is like their page. It's Drifit Master Republic. Tapos, like nyo din yung page ko na KaninRider Philippines. Tapos, share this video, this YouTube link with the hashtags KaninRiderPH, Drifit Master Republic, Drifit Master Republic number 1. Share na. Share this to all your friends. Share this to everyone you know. Okay? Etong mga jersey na to and these tube masks, hindi lang naman to para sa mga kapwa nating riders. Pwede din to sa mga ating mga siklista or mga nagbabike, bicycle. So, ayan. Anyone can wear these amazing products. Alright? And the raffle draw will be 1 month after this was posted. Alright? So, I'll see you once again. It's your boy KaninRider PH. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Alright? Shout out Team Paangat, Team Eastside. Shout out sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa KaninRider PH. Alright? Once again, thank you and good luck to everyone. Peace!